Okay, that's fine with me. Now we're actually getting somewhere. Okay, so our first project on stream I will ever do, and you guys could probably see the box already, is the PSP-3000. This is an old PSP-3000 that I've had. The screen is broken, but I'm not sure if it actually works anymore. But I'm here to replace the screen. It's the original box, you know, everything. So you can tell when this was actually made and released. So we're gonna give it a try. So let me open it up from this end because it looks a lot easier. So inside we have the literal PSP, and then the manual. I kind of ripped this apart back when I first opened it, but I don't need this exactly because there are other manuals I've had, because this is not my first PSP. Hey, what's up? What's up, Vic? Now we have a 1 gig memory stick, and then we have the actual. Wow, it's kind of. Is that dust? Yeah, that's old dust. See how I haven't opened this in a while. And you have your AC adapter and charging cable. Technically, you can use this with a PS2. So. And then the actual battery itself. This is standard for all PSP 3000, 2000s. So, yeah. Let's open this up, and our first test is to see if it loads. And if it does, that's great. If it doesn't, then we gotta figure something out. Okay. We don't need to put in the 1 gigabyte memory stick. So, let's put that away for now. Put it off to the side. You guys. Oh. Oh, charging cable, please. Oh, yeah, you can see how bad that is. Hey, it works! Screen works! You can see it. Turn it around. Okay, let's take that out. The battery still works. Everything's still intact. But when we're gonna have to open this up, we're gonna have to figure this out. Yeah. Okay, so the cover is gonna go away with the battery. So put that down. Okay. So let's see. We have a screw here, and we have 2 screws right there, and we have about 4 screws. 2 right here, and then there's one under this sticker, and this looks like a Phillips head screw. So let's get on it. Okay, this should come apart. Should. Yep. Let's see if it closes. Yep. Look at that. Pried it open. Now we're gonna set this aside. Probably right in front of my screen anyways. Better that way. Okay, so with this we have the XMB bar, or bar here, and then we have contact points where the triangle, square, circle, and X button, or cross button, are. And then we have the D-pad here, and then your analog stick. So we're gonna see what's up by pulling this up here. Ah, okay. Now I see it. Okay, so Pong there. Let's get one of these other tweezers. At this point, I'm not really worried about destroying this ribbon because this screen it's functional, but the liquid has spilled. So let me check this out. Ah, it's a tab. Pull it out. Yep. So that's a PSP LCD screen. Now, if I go up close and reflect it with the light, you guys could see the crack. The crack is noticeable to me. It's right along this, wherever I'm dragging my tool across. And then I just ordered this recently, so I'm happy to open this box. I did pre-open it just to make sure everything was intact, and it was. So that's my main goal. Inside, it gives us a free screwdriver, and it is a Phillips head. I think it is made for this. So that's great. And this is our new screen. I just gotta make a look. Yep. It does have a barcode on the original screen. I can show you guys right here. And then on the new screen, there's nothing. So yeah, you can tell it's a third party. There is no plastic on this, like a plastic peeler, which is kind of interesting because look at this packaging. Why is it like this? It's cool, but at the same time it's concerning because this is a LCD screen we're working with. We don't want to have finger grease all over this screen when we're putting it in because it will smear. So I'm going to take a liberty of wiping it down just a little bit with a cloth. Okay, well, we're going to actually install this freaking thing. I'm kind of worried on my end. I gotta make sure it lines up correctly, and it seems to have taken the bait. But we're gonna put the small end first. Interesting. Maybe I should take out this bar. Ooh, I'm jittery. My hands are so jittery right now. I don't know why. Usually repairs like this are like a no problem to me at all. This is a lot of pressure, guys. I'm not used to doing this like that. Okay. Oh yeah, battle theme popped up. Got it. Okay. Let's bring out that absorber. Wow, that was actually a little more complicated than I thought it would be. I mean, simple enough. Just pull that and take that out, you know, but there's more to it than just that. Okay. Moment of truth is going to come out soon, after I grab something. Alright guys, let's do it. Hey! It works! Ooh, that's bright. Now we gotta set the time. Everything. Okay, let's try a game. And the game we're going to try is Crisis Core Final Fantasy VII. Since we're listening to Final Fantasy VII music, I thought it'd be appropriate. Oh my goodness, did I just do what I thought I just did? Wow, that's an old sound. Wow. My goodness. Sounds right, and the screen works.